Morning, butthead.
Morning.
What you up to?
Oh, we're pumping the dinghy up so we can go and have an explore, I think. There's some caves not far away, so yeah, let's go and check them out.
These caves here. So, our dinghy pump has just broken.
Yeah, not only is this a pain in the butt to do anyway, it's sometimes near impossible.
So now we're back onto this one, which barely works. We've taped it all up and it still leaks air.
I might see if I can like Frankenstein the two of them, but I'm not sure. I'll try my best. But I'll try to secure it on as best as possible.
Worth a shot.
Yeah.
It's not firm.
It's not firm, no. But it'll do for now. Hey. As soon as it comes through, I can start to sort it. So we're loaded, got everything we need.
Finally underway.
Finally,
Let's go.
Getting in the dinghy to go.
Let's go. Hey. That is our life, crisp sandwiches and exotic locations.
I was going to say, we're just trying to find the most exotic places to have crisp sandwiches.
So far this is a pretty good contender.
Yeah, this is the winner so far, I think.
Caves and crisp sandwiches. That should be the title of the video. Graceful as ever.
That was super graceful.
Thank you.
You want to pass me an oar?
Yeah. With my oar. With my oar.
You have my sword. And you have my bow.
And my oar.
So we're back on the boat. We've got the dinghy tied off the back. So we're going to go to Bennegill Caves. It's about 3 hours from where we are. Well, it should have been 2.5, but maybe with us towing the dinghy we'll be a little bit slower. So yeah, we're just going to head over to there. We're going to anchor the boat overnight next to it, and we're going to try and dinghy to the caves this evening so we can catch the sunset there.
It looks beautiful, can't wait.
Can't wait.
We've had an amazing day just exploring around here though.
Yeah, like the caves we've visited today are over there, and we are going all the way over there.
We should also note that we haven't seen any of Lagos over here.
No, we
didn't see any of this.
No, we didn't see any
We
of
went
this.
over there and that's it.
Yeah.
But you know what? It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
Everywhere just looks so busy.
Obviously, as you guys have probably noticed, we lift anchor using arm power. Is this the first time that you're going to have a crack at doing it? Yeah, so she's lifted it before when we did our course on the instructor's boat, but she's doing it on our boat for the first time now. There's about 30 metres out.
How much weight is that?
Not sure. Good luck though.
Oh, no. Well, that was exhausting. That is hard work, I'm just saying. Everyone should give a lot of credit to Bryn for doing that all the time, because that is really hard work. Let's get the mainsail out. So we were anchoring at these beautiful caves when I just heard a weird noise and the engine went off, and I'm pretty sure, well, it has.
Yeah.
The line for the dinghy has got wrapped around our propeller.
Yep. So this is what it looks like.
The rope is off.
I don't want to swim away from the boat because there's so many boats around. It's actually lovely here now. This is perfect. Everyone seems to have gone now, so I'm going to jump back in the water, and I think I'm going to dive on the anchor just to double check it. And we're in 7 meters depth, so I haven't dove to 7 meters in quite a long time, so I might just see how I get on, really. That was not graceful.
Smooth.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know it will be better, I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, one more night. I want a bliss to fool everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me.
Woohoo! I did it! These spaghetti arms actually lifting something.
So we now say goodbye to Benagil Caves.
Bye, Kate.
And we are heading to Albufeira. Really no wind today, we got like 3-4 knots. So we are motoring, and we've got the dinghy off the back again because we're feeling brave
And lazy.
and lazy. Hopefully we don't foul our prop today. That'll be lovely. It's only going to take, I don't know, 2-3 hours, something like that, to get to this next place. So hopefully it'll be a nice chill motor sail. How stunning is this? Like, the sea is just glassed. How beautiful is that?
So we just took a little engine break. The engine's off, so we can just appreciate a bit of quiet. It's so cool.
We are anchored. We're the only people
Yeah.
in this anchorage. It might be a little bit rolly because the entrance is just there to the marina and the harbour.
We're in Albufeira just for one night, and if I'm honest, I think that's enough.
Yeah.
It's extremely busy, and there's just party boats. The speedboats driving past us constantly. Like, our boat feels like it's in the middle of Biscay again, to be honest. We're gonna go to shore and just go and upload a video on YouTube, grab a coffee, have a very short wander around, see what it's about. But it's a pretty place. Very pretty. Unfortunately, we couldn't find anywhere safe to leave our dinghy after checking the marina and all along the beach. It was also very stressful trying to navigate our way back to Talisman. Operation Go to Shore was a disaster. It's just absolute chaos here. Like, we almost got run over about 8 times. Speedboats and tour boats and the, whatever they're called, paragliders and all kinds of different ribs.
They're called jet boats, and basically what they do is they just rag it as fast as they can in a straight line and then do a sharp turn.
But they're doing it right around the boat, in circles around the boat.
The circling around the boats in this anchorage, cutting through the middle and doing the turns in the anchorage.
We've been having to hold our plates while we're eating. Yeah, we couldn't get to shore, and so we tried a bit, and then we were just like, let's call it a day. And then even trying to get back on the boat from the dinghy, like the swell from all the boats that were driving around us, like it took us ages to get back on the boat from the dinghy.
Yeah.
Like, the boat was just slamming in the water, and it's chaos. So yeah, we're moving on tomorrow anyway.
We would not recommend this place as an anchorage.
Not as an anchorage, definitely not. Try the marina. Yes, so we are having a nice Indian curry on the boat instead.
This is beautiful.
Curry.
So good.
And yeah, just gonna chill, aren't we?
Thanks again so much for watching, and we really hope you're enjoying our adventures so far. Join us next time as we continue quite a rapid pace down the Portuguese coast and arrive back into Spain.